This is the babies eating pablum. Mama's starting to wean them. So pablum is the substitute meal until they get teeth and they're able to chew puppy food. They love the pablum. Oh my god, what a mess. They're covered in it. This, I think he's had enough and he's licking his feet. Oh, look at me. Her face is just covered. Oh my gosh. They're definitely going to need bath.